I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block a phone number on your iPhone without having to add them to your contacts list first. The most common method is to block someone who just called you. Step 1. Open the phone app and tap the Recents tab at the bottom. Step 2. Find the number you want to block. Don't tap the number itself or you'll call them back. Instead, tap the blue eye icon, the info button, on the far right side of that entry. Step 3. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the caller's info page and tap Block Contact. Step 4. Tap Block to confirm. That number is now blocked from calling or texting you, and it was never saved to your contact list. And if you've received a spam text, you can also block the sender without saving their info. Step 1. Open the conversation in the Messages app. Step 2. Tap the number or icon at the very top of the screen to expand the details. Step 3. Just like before, scroll to the bottom and tap Block Contact. Then tap Block again to confirm. That number is now blocked from calling or texting you, and it was never saved to your contact list. And finally, if you're tired of blocking numbers one by one, you can automate the process for anyone who isn't in your contacts. Go to Settings, tap Apps, and then tap Phone. Navigate to the Silence Unknown Callers section, and then tap to select Silence. Now, any call from a number not in your contacts or that you haven't recently contacted will be sent straight to voicemail without your phone even ringing. It's the ultimate way to stay productive without the interruptions. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.